Hello everybody and welcome to this new Sunday cooking class.
Hello, welcome to Traveling the Steps.
This is Francisco.
This is Ainhoa.
Welcome home. Welcome to Traveling the Steps. Today, what are we going to be cooking today?
Soup. But a soup I can eat.
It's a cold soup.
It's a cold soup.
It's a cold soup. You all know that she doesn't kind of like at all hot soups, but she likes cold soups. Yeah. And today it's asparagus and cucumber.
Cold soup.
Cold soup.
Yeah, similar to gazpacho, but it's because gazpacho is kind of a cold soup in Spain.
Yeah, in Spain, the gazpacho is tomato based. You have the recipe on the feed of this YouTube channel. But in Spain, every cold soup is like, asparagus gazpacho. Hell no, gazpacho is with tomato. So we shouldn't call it gazpacho.
Whatever.
People will kill us.
Cold asparagus soup.
Cold asparagus soup. Okay.
Easy.
Oh, yes.
Guilty.
And fast.
And fast. Wow, fast.
Shall
Fast
we?
it is. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Welcome home, everybody. Let's keep on going. So, yes. Let me turn the camera around for a sec. Here we go. What do we have for decoration today? We have a couple of bottles of glass, very old. They're from the 1800s. These beautiful, beautiful glasses. And oh, by the way, I love this Cerería Moya, this candle. I'm totally obsessed. This is from a house here in Spain from 1899. They're from Valencia. And they do amazing, amazing candles. Okay, if you ever come to Spain, Moya, M-O-L-L-A, amazing candles.
They are not paying him.
Oh, we're not getting paid, but I just love them. So what the hell? Anyway, so this is what we are going to need today. White asparagus canned, you don't need to have them fresh because it's not worth it. So it's super good that way. A couple of hard-boiled eggs. Then you need cucumber. And then for dressing, and a piece of garlic. And then for dressing, you have diced cucumbers. And these here are, black sesame seeds, okay? And of course, you're gonna need olive oil, salt. And here we have sherry vinegar.
Sherry vinegar. You can use any kind of vinegar, right?
Okay.
Okay, so let's go.
Let's go. And you need, of course, a blender.
Of course.
If you have a food processor, we
It's
don't.
also the
So
same.
we only have an arm blender.
We only have an arm blender. Okay.
We need to invest in one of those thingies.
We can invest in a few things. I've got ideas.
Oh God, no. Okay.
So, these are white asparagus from Navarra. We are big white asparagus producers.
Huge white asparagus producer.
And they are super good.
There we go.
Okay. Right, so what I need is, I don't put the seeds of the cucumber. You can if you want. I don't put them because I want the soup to be thicker.
Yeah.
Or I want to control. And in this soup, I don't like the seeds. In other cucumber soups, I don't mind. But in this one, I rather have it smooth, right?
If you have a food processor, really, they smooth everything much better than an arm blender. So we remove the seeds to make it soft. Right? Because if you put the seeds, they are a little bit stronger.
The amount of garlic depends on you. This
Okay.
has been chosen by Francisco, so it's about...
Okay, so this is half a garlic. I love garlic, but she loves it much more than I do. So I have prepared everything. I am the one decided how much garlic we put in.
Whatever amount of garlic you get, how do you call it?
The heart, the inside.
The inside.
Yeah.
Okay, you get it out. And then a couple of hard-boiled eggs.
A little bit of olive oil.
A little bit, of vinegar. I will not put much salt because I don't know how salty these asparagus are, but you can just test.
Correct it all the way at the end.
And a little bit of olive oil.
Yep.
Okay, and let's see what it brings. Because you have to decide what texture you want, right? So now here comes the noise.
Sorry, here comes the noise.
water here.
Okay.
Because you use the juice of a canned asparagus.
But yet again, it depends on.
It depends on what you want, right?
And we don't like it too thick. Okay.
No, I don't. So an important thing is that at this point you test the
Salt, vinegar.
a little bit of olive oil and a little bit more of salt. But it's up to you. But you have to test it. You have to test it now, right?
Yeah.
I think that will do, Francisco. So
Okay.
shall we tell them
Let
how
me-
we serve it?
Yeah. Let me hand you the bowl. Here it is.
So this soup is a bit soft. It's got like it's how do you call that, bland? I don't know.
Texture mind. So you see that it's quite soft. Okay.
Okay, so that's why I dice cucumber.
I love when you say I diced
Well,
cucumber.
Francisco
Dices the
dices
cucumber.
The cucumber, and I use the cucumber that Francisco dices.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, and then what? Well, you can use whatever is convenient for you. I just use black sesame seeds because they're
They
black.
give color. The thing is that if you have any type of seeds, you can go sunflower seeds, can go any type of seeds, really, they are very good.
So you got that for the color and the cucumber for the crunchiness.
And guess what, girl? We have
We have lunch.
broken our own record of typing. 7
Really?
minutes.
7
Come on.
minutes. Okay, great.
As we say, we love cooking easy food, healthy food, fast food, cheap food, perfect food.
Yeah, so super fast.
Super fast. So anyway, we have this amazing cucumber and white asparagus soup. It's done in no time, so there's not a reason not to eat healthy.
No reason.
So everybody, thank you so much for joining in today in this very quick
Very quick.
Sunday cooking
Oh.
class. Oh,
You put it in the fridge for a while. We're just serving it now, but you put it in the fridge for a
Yeah.
couple of hours,
yeah.
right?
It has to be served very cold. Yeah, I mean all of these goods have come right off the fridge, but you store it in the fridge. It can last 2-3 days. 2 days, yeah,
2 days.
2 days. Always in the fridge. That's a good one.
Okay.
So we shall see you next week. Please join our newsletter. The link is on the feed of this website. And
Send us pictures if you cook this.
thank you very much. We love you. Adios, amigos.